Alright guys, welcome back. Episode 5 of the S14 build. Today Room's doing brake hard lines and I'm going to be throwing the interior back together. I didn't really vlog any of the work that Rufum did over the weekend. So he threw in pretty much the whole harness, a bunch of little components in the engine bay, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to give you guys a little overview of how it looks like as of right now and then get to work. This is what we're working with right now. And then this is what we're working with inside the interior. Plan is to get rid of everything inside the interior, then throw in the killer mount. So the interior is stripped of the tools, hardware, and trash that was inside of it. Room has to weld up these holes that came with the chassis when we bought it. No idea what these are for or what sat here. The other chassis had nothing that was like structural or nothing that bulged out for seats or anything right here. So we're both confused on what this is for. But both sides have it, and Room's gonna, I'm guessing, cut out a square, then weld it on, and then we'll sound that in the whole interior. But because you can't do that right now, we're gonna move to the trunk and wire brush all this. I don't know if it's surface rust or orange spray paint, but we're pretty much just gonna wire brush it so it's ready for primer. Alright, so now that the back trunk is all wire wheeled down, I actually just scotch brite it, and then we can spray primer over it. So right now I want to install the sound deadening inside the car before the sun sets, that way it's not too cold to install. And I'm just rigging up the back seat to see, I guess, where I can't place it and where I can. First sheet, just over the driver's side, back rear seat. Now, could you guys hear a difference? That's the question. As you guys can tell, the sound deadening is inside the car. This is 36 square feet. It's enough to cover the front half of the car, but we do want to throw a little bit more in the quarter panels and underneath the rear seats. So we're gonna order another case of 36 square feet. It's pretty easy to put in. While I've been doing that, Ruben was making these brake hard lines, as you guys can see. So that's pretty much all we've done today. I think I'm gonna clean up the garage a little bit, get this place a little bit more organized because it's kind of a mess right now. Now that the shop's clean, I think we're gonna call it a day. Head out and then come back tomorrow or after tomorrow. We need to go pick up the manifold and the clutch from a friend's house. And then we'll be ready to throw in the motor. So that's what we're waiting for. Yeah. So this is a KA manual transmission that we're running in this S14. So yes, it will be converted from automatic to manual. We bought a competition clutch. White Bunny, and we bought the cheapest eBay manifold that we could find.
Mm-hmm.